Let's solve this question together. AB equal to 2000. A plus B equal to 200. How do we solve for A and B? Let's call this guy equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 2, A is equal to 200 minus B. By moving B to the right hand side, the next thing we are going to do is to replace this particular A with 200 minus B. So from here we have 200 minus B times B equal to 2000. 200 times B, that is 200B, minus times B, that is minus B square, equal to 2000. This means that B square minus 200B plus 2000 is equal to 0. By rearranging this equation, we have this. This is a quadratic equation. Instead of using the usual quadratic formula to solve it, we can also solve it using completing the square method. B square minus 200B. Let's move this 2000 to the right hand side. So we have minus 2000. The next thing we are going to do now is to add half of the coefficients of B and at the same time square it to both sides. What is the coefficient of B? The coefficient of B is minus 200. Minus 200. We divide it by 2 and at the same time square it. This is what we are going to add to both sides. So let's do that. So we have B square minus 200B plus this minus 200 over 2 all squared equal to minus 2000 plus this guy minus 200 over 2 all squared. Let's continue. This implies that B square minus 200B plus minus 200 divided by 2, that is minus 100 all squared equal to minus 2000 plus minus 200 divided by 2, that is minus 100 all squared. You will see that it is very possible to combine this left hand side. So that will be B minus 100 all squared equal to minus 2000 plus minus 100 all squared, that is 10000. Let's proceed further. So we have B minus 100 all squared equal to minus 2000 plus 10,000, that is 8,000. This means that let us take square root of both sides. So that will be square root of B minus 100 all squared equal to plus or minus square root of 8,000. Clearly, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We have B minus 100 equal to plus or minus square root of 8,000 could be written as square root of 100 times square root of 80. This means that B minus 100 equal to plus or minus, what is square root of 100? That is simply 10 times square root of 80. Let's proceed further. B minus 100 is equal to plus or minus 10. We can also rewrite square root of 80 as square root of 16 times square root of 5. B minus 100 is equal to plus or minus 10. What is square root of 16? That is simply 4 times square root of 5. So B minus 100 is equal to plus or minus 10 times 4, that is 40 times square root of 5. This means that B minus 100 is equal to, considering this positive sign, we have 40 root 5, or B minus 100 equal to, considering this negative sign, we have minus 40 root 5. This means that B is equal to 100 plus 40 root 5, or B is equal to 100 minus 40 root 5. You will see that we have two values for B, 100 plus 40 root 5 and 100 minus 40 root 5. Since A is equal to 200 minus b. Let me show you where we got this equation from. It's actually from this line. Let's proceed further. What we will do now is to consider each value of b when b is equal to 100 plus 40 root 5. We just have to plug it here. So we have a equal to 200 minus, in place of b, we write 100 plus 40 root 5. 100 plus 40 root 5. A is equal to 200 minus times 100, that is minus 100. Minus times plus, we have minus 40 root 5. A is equal to 200 minus 100, that is 100 minus 40 root 5. Therefore, the first solution is a comma b equal to, the value of a is 100 minus 40 root 5, comma, and the value of b happens to be 100 plus 40 root 5. This is the first solution. Now, let us consider the other value of b, which is 100 minus 40 root 5. Let's manage this side. So, when b is equal to 100 minus 40 root 5, we just have to plug in these values here. So we have a equal to 200 minus 100 minus 40 root 5. A equal to 200 minus times 100, that is minus 100. Minus times minus, that is plus 40 root 5. A equal to 200 minus 100, that is simply 100, plus 40 root 5. So it is very obvious that the second solution, a comma b, is equal to, the value of a is 100 plus 40 root 5, 100 plus 40 root 5, and b happens to be 100 minus 40 root 5, 100 minus 40 root 5. These are the two solutions for this nice algebra problem. We can verify if these solutions are correct. Verify using equation 2, that is a plus b equal to 200. Let us verify the first solution. This is our a and this is our b. In place of a, we write 100 minus 40 root 5 plus, in place of b, we write 100 plus 40 root 5. This equal to, clearly, minus 40 root 5 cancel out plus 40 root 5. We have 100 plus 100, which is just 200. This is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the first solution is correct. Let's verify the second solution. This is our a and this is our b. Plugging it here, we have 100 plus 40 root 5 plus 100 minus 40 root 5. This equal to, clearly, 40 root 5 minus 40 root 5, that is 0. 100 plus 100, that is simply 200. This is also exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the second solution is also correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.